Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang blessings na parating sa inyo in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, because this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So you don't have to message me kung gusto mo ng private reading. Go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Andun na lahat ng information. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. And kung napapanood nyo to sa TikTok, i-check nyo kung nasa tamang account kayo nanonood, kasi may mga nagre-re-upload, nagnanakaw ng videos ko. So, Mr. Queen PH, nasa 70,000 followers na yan. 70,000 followers. I-check nyo. Kasi kung hindi ganon, hindi ako yon. Okay? Scammer yan. Let's see Aquarius. Blessings next 30 days. Oh. Alam nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng business idea. You've been thinking about this lately, and then finally, makakapag-decide ka na that you want to go full-time. O, pwedeng full-time I don't read reversals. So, full-time job or full-time business. Kasi you are honing your talents, your skill set na with the magician energy here. Some of you, kayang-kaya nyong magtrabaho, yung self-employed, ganon. Wala kayong boss. You are your own boss. Some of you naman may paglipat ng workplace, ng career, may shift, no? And I think you're going to be even more successful dito sa pipiliin mo, kasi mas confident ka sa kakayanan mo. So, kumbaga, halimbawa kung dati mong field or career ay may kinalaman sa pagbe-baking, okay? Pero hindi ka naman masyadong skilled doon, no? Hindi ka skilled baker. Mas magaling ka sa as a cook, no? Or a chef, ganyan. So, yun na yung i-align mo na yung sarili mo sa kung saan talaga yung talents and skill set mo. Kumbaga, magkakaroon, may magbubukas na opportunity for you na ma-align mo yung abilities mo. 'Di ba? O, the Emperor, ikaw ang batas. Ikaw ang masusunod this time. I think kasi mas magiging competitive ka eh. Kasi nga, mas confident ka sa sarili mo na, kaya mo yun. And, ito yung tipong, kung sino man yung taong nagtatry na i-bully ka or parang i-degrade ka or alam mo yan, parang binababa yung tingin nila sa'yo. Sila yung mamamangha. Magugulat na lang sila, aminin man nila o hindi, dahil mas marami kang na-achieve sa buhay. You have the Tower and the Seven of Wands. I also see this as pagpapakita ng power, ng lakas mo para lumaban. Kasi kung dati parang, iniintindi mo lang sila. You're trying to, be kind. You're trying to be nice. But ngayon, palaban ka na. Oo, hindi ka na magpapatalo. You also have a new creative venture is on the horizon. Ayun, merong creative venture. Baka meron kang projects sa work, sa'yo bibigay. Ikaw yung magli-lead ng project na yon. See it as a positive change. Use your discernment and fortitude to achieve your goals and find a new rhythm. Ayan, using your discernment and fortitude. So, mas magiging wiser ka pagdating sa decision making. Ayan, choice decision. Decision to make. And once na mag-decide ka, yun na talaga, ibibigay mo na yung best mo dun. And the moment that you give your best, you will definitely gain success. O, diba? Nagra-rhyme. Avoid drama. Okay. Iiwasan mo rin ang drama sa buhay. Kasi itong drama, rin to eh. Alam mo yun, pwede tong maging distraction sa buhay mo. So, mas magiging transactional ka na, okay, so kung ang isang bagay hindi na nagwo-work for you, hindi ka na parang magmumukmok or sisisihin mo yung ibang tao. You will take accountability and focus on your goals and then move on, ganun. Oo. Or anyone na nagkikreate ng drama sa buhay mo, ika-cut off mo na yun. Iiwasan mo na sila. Oo. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.